Good morning, students. Today we are discussing the next topic of this chapter, that is the minors and the cofactor. Now let me see about minors. So minor is an element, minor of an element Aij of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting the ith row and the jth column in which the element Aij exists, and is denoted by capital Mij. So student, this is the definition of the minor. So what is the minor? Let me see here. So I have one determinant 1, 2, 3 and 1. Suppose this is the determinant. If I want to find the minor of this element, so this element is lies in a first row and the second column. So this is m12. तो m12 का मुझे माइनर फाइंड करना है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, I will delete this row and this column where my 2 is exist, right? And whatever is remaining, that is our minor. So it is remaining 3. Therefore, it is a minor. Let me see one more example here. So I have a one matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this matrix I have, and I want to find the matrix of this element. So here I will delete the row and the column where this element exists. Now this element is lies in a second row and the third column. Okay, this is actually the element A23. So minor is M23, which can be obtained by deleting a row and column, that is 1, 2, 7 and 8. And when we solve it, we will get the determinant. So m minus 8 minus 14, that is equals to minus 6. So student understood what is a minor? Minor is an element of an element which can be obtained by deleting the row and the column where the element exists. Now student, here you can see the example that when the determinant was of order 2, then minor is of order 1. When the determinant is of order 3, then minor is of order 2. So always remember student that minor of an element of a determinant of order n is a determinant of order n minus 1. मतलब कि माइनर का जो ऑर्डर होगा वो डिटर्मिनेंट के ऑर्डर से 1 जितना कम होगा. ओके, इट विल बी लेस देन 1. सो n minus 1. Now here just now I have given you the example d is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In that we have found m23. That the same way, this is the example I have taken. So now let me see the cofactor. Now what is the cofactor student? Cofactor of an element is denoted by capital Aij. और उसको डिफाइन कैसे करना है? Aij is equals to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. So cofactor is nothing else, it is same as in minors, बस उसका sign change होगा. Okay, it will plus or minus. Okay, and plus or minus can be denoted by this. You know the symbol plus minus plus, minus plus minus and plus minus plus. तो जो एलिमेंट के सामने माइनस है वहाँ का जो माइनर होगा उसकी साइन चेंज हो जाएगी. सपोज हियर यू हैव अ माइनस 2 and if you want to find out the cofactor A12, then it's a minus 2, so it will be plus 2, like this only. Okay students, so this is the things we are having. It is the definition of cofactor. Now let me see the example. The example is this one. Now here we have found m23. Okay, we have just seen in the last example that m23. तो मुझे इसका ही अगर कोफैक्टर फाइंड करना है तो आई विल फाइंड आउट a23 लाइक दिस, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3. Why 2 plus 3 student? Because of the definition I plus j. जो एलिमेंट का आपको कोफैक्टर फाइंड करना है उसको सफिक्स को ऐड करेंगे -1 के पावर में. सो इट इज़ -1 raised to 2 plus 3 into m23, that is equals to 6. So this is the definition of the cofactor. Understood student? This is the minors and the cofactor. Now let me see the expansion of the determinant using the cofactors. So let me see the first one. Here we have a determinant a11, a12, a13. I am going to expand this determinant using the first row. तो मुझे फर्स्ट रो से एक्सपांड करना है, दैट्स वाई आई विल फाइंड आउट m11, m M21 and M31 फर्स्ट कॉलम से मुझे फाइंड करना है, सो दैट्स वाई आई विल फाइंड आउट M11, M21 and M31. देन आई विल फाइंड आउट इट्स को फैक्टर, सिमिलर एलिमेंट इसके ही, सो A11, A21 and A31. सो लेट मी फाइंड आउट स्टूडेंट, M11 मुझे फाइंड करना है, सो हाउ आई विल फाइंड आउट द M11. So I will delete the row, column and the row. So I will get A22, A23, A32 and A33. And when we solve, we get A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32. Similar, now M11 we found, so we can find out the cofactor. Cofactor is nothing else but it will just change the sign of the co-minor. So A11, so positive, so A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32. Similarly students, find out the minors of the M1 to M21, then cofactor A21, then minor M31, then cofactor A31. Now student, please remember these things because this we are using in the expansion. Okay, this we are going to use in an expansion, A22, A33. So what is it? A11, then this is A21 and this is A31. Now let me see the actual expansion student. So this is the actual expansion of one determinant, right? Determinant का expansion हम ऐसे करते हैं, फर्स्ट कॉलम यूज़ किया है, सो A11 into this minus A21 into this. So A11 in a bracket A23 into A33 minus A23 into A32. A21 in a bracket A12 into A33 minus A13 into A32 plus A31 into A12 into A23 minus A13 into A22. Now this minus is there, I am writing here plus, so minus we will take inside, so your sign will be changed, A13 into A32 minus A12 into A33. So this is the final term we are having. अगर आपको याद है तो मैंने लास्ट स्लाइड में बोला था कि आपको याद रखना है, सो दिस इज what it is A11. If you want to check, then go back for a few seconds and then you can find out A11. This is the second one, it is A12, and this is the third one, it is A21 and A31. So let me write down in the form. So here we are having A11 into capital A11, A21 into capital A21, A31 into capital A31. सो स्टूडेंट, हमने जब फर्स्ट कॉलम यूज़ किया तो हमें ये मिल रहा है, एंड दिस इज रिटर्न एज अ सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द एलिमेंट ऑफ C1 विद द कोरस्पॉन्डिंग कोफैक्टर. इफ आई वांट टू फाइंड आउट द एक्सपांशन यूजिंग द सेकेंड कॉलम, then here what will be the change? Sum of the product of the element of C2 with their corresponding cofactor. If I want to use first row, then what will be the statement here? Sum of the product of R1 with their corresponding cofactor. So let me see these all formula students. So here the expansion, determinant, now first row, so A11 into capital A11, A12 into capital A12 and A13 into capital A13. If we take second row, then A21, if we take the second row, then A21 into A21, capital A21 means plus A22 into capital A22, A23 into capital A23. Similarly, this is the formula used for third row, then first column, second column and the third column. So in this way student, we can find the expansion of the determinant using the cofactor. This all formula is useful for your objective questions. In that it will use very widely. Now let me see exercise 4.4 question number 1. Find the minors and the cofactor of following determinant. First determinant is 2 minus 4 0 3. Now student, अगर आपको definition clear है, then there is no problem to find the minors of this one. So what can be M11? It is equals to 3. Have you found? Delete the row and the column. Then M12. So delete the row and the column. You will get 0. Then m21, delete the row and the column. So you will get minus 4. Then m22, that means this element, delete the row and the column, you will get 2. So in this way we can find out the minors. And now if you want to find out the cofactor, तो cofactor a11 find करना है. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into, delete the row and the column, so you will get 3, so that will equals to 3. If you want to find out a12, so delete the row and the column, so you will get minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into, what is your element? 0, that is equals to 0. Okay student, so this way we can find out the minors and the cofactor. Actually we have found here also. So you can see m11 is equals to 3, m22 is equals to, m12 is equals to 0, m21 is equals to minus 4 and m22 is equals to 2. Now we have found the cofactor also. Cofactor मैंने आपको अभी फाइंड करके बताया. And second way, if you want to do directly, then plus, minus, minus and plus, minus and plus. So plus, minus, minus and plus. So it is a sign change. यहाँ पे 4 था तो ये क्या होगा? minus 4, so plus 4. So this is the method to find out the minor and cofactor of 2 by 2 matrix. Now second one is ACBD. So this question student you can do by yourself, easy question, and here the solution is also given to you, but you can solve by yourself. You can see the solution also. So in this way you have to find out the minor and the cofactor. Now question number 2, first one. Here you have the determinant of 3 by 3 and we have to find out the minors and the cofactor. So let me find out m11 first. So what is m11? That is the minor of the first element. So for this what we will do? We will delete the column and the row where that element exists. So 1 0 0 1, that is equals to 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. Now next is m12. So m12 के लिए क्या करना है? Second column will delete. So 0 0 and 0 1, 0 0 and 0 1. If you want to find out m13, then what we will do? We will delete the m13. So first row and the third column. So what we will get? 0 1 and 0 0. So like this we can do this all things student. Now let me see for the m21. तो m21 अगर आपको फाइंड करना है तो m2 सेकेंड रो एंड द फर्स्ट कॉलम. सो लेट मी फाइंड आउट. सो m21 is 0 0 and 1 0. Then m22, that means what we have to do? Second row and the second column. So 1 0 0 1. Solution you can do. Then m23 is equals to second row and third column you can delete. 1 0 and 0 0 you will get. Then similarly m31, m32 and m33. So here you can find out m33. So m33 is not visible student. Let me find out here m33. So m33 के लिए आपको क्या करना है? Here you should delete the third row and the third column. So you will get 1 0 0 and 1, and then you solve. So 1 minus 0, that is equals to 1. So that is m33. Now students we have to find out the cofactor. So let me see cofactor of a11. तो a11 के लिए आपको क्या करना है? फर्स्ट minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into m11. So 1. देन सेकेंड में क्या करना है? माइनस 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into m12. तो m12 m11 की वैल्यू यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करिए. सो यू विल गेट द आंसर 1 0 0. देन सिमिलरली a21, a23, a23. देन a31, a32 and a33. So here you have all the cofactors. So in this way you can find out the cofactor. Cofactor में क्या करना है? Just remember this thing. माइनस 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into m11. यहाँ पे m11 क्या था? 1. So 1 into 1 is equals to 1. Now इफ़ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट हियर a12, तो a12 के लिए क्या होगा, -1/1 + 2 इंटू m12. So here -1/3, that is minus, and m12 is 0, so that is equals to 0. So therefore this is 0. Similar way you can do all the solution. So here the cofactors we are having. Now let me see the next question. There is a question 2, 1, 0, 4, 3, 5, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Here again students we are going to find out the cofactor and the minors. So if you want to find out the minor m11, so what we will do, we will delete the row and the column. So we will get 5 minus 1 and 1 2. Now you know very well student how to solve this determinant. So we have to solve this determinant. So we have to do this one, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, so that is equals to 11. Then second m12, so m12 के लिए आप क्या करेंगे, delete the first row and the second column. So here you get 3 minus 1 0 2 and then solve, so you will get 6. Okay, then m13, so it is 3, m21, that is equals to -4, m22, that is equals to 2. m22 कैसे फाइंड करेंगे, m22 फाइंड करने के लिए सेकेंड रो एंड सेकेंड कॉलम you delete, so you will get 1 4 and 0 2. You can see here student 1 4 and 0 2, so you will get 2. Similarly student you can find out m23. m23 is minor of a23, that is a -1. Now you delete the row and the column, so you will get 1 0 0 1 and then solve, so 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. Similarly find out m31, m32 and m33. Now further students we have to find out the cofactor. तो cofactor फाइंड करने के लिए मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि you have to solve like this, that a11 is equals to -1/1 plus 1 into m11. So that is the method to writing. So it is 1 into m11 is 11, so it is equals to 11. Or you should remember the sign of the determinant. So plus minus plus minus plus minus plus then minus and plus. तो जहाँ जहाँ माइनस है वहाँ पे हमारा साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. सो योर cofactor is a11 is equals to 11, a12 is equals to -6, then a13 is equals to 3 and so on. So in this way you can find out the cofactor student. So this is the method to find out the minors and the cofactor. Now let me see the next equation. Using the cofactor of an element of the second row, evaluate this determinant. Now here it is in the question is clearly mentioned that we have to use the cofactor of the second row. So that's why we have to use the cofactor of the second row. So what can be our delta? Yes, how to find out determinant? मैंने आपको कहा था कि ये फॉर्मूला याद रखनी है. So here you have the formula a21 into capital A21, a22 into capital A22 plus a23 into capital A23. So for finding, let me find out first a21. a21 कैसे फाइंड करेंगे, -1/2 plus 3 into the minor of the element a21. तो minor क्या था हमारा, delete the second row and first column, so we get 3 8 2 3 and when we solve we get 7. Similarly you can find out a22. a22 फाइंड करने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा स्टूडेंट, सेकेंड रो एंड द सेकेंड कॉलम यू डिलीट, तो यू विल गेट 5 8 1 3 एंड व्हेन यू सॉल्व इट यू आर गेटिंग 7. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज a23. a23 फाइंड करने के लिए हमें क्या करना है, सेकेंड रो एंड द थर्ड कॉलम वी विल डिलीट. ओके, a23, the second row and third column we delete, so we get 5 3 1 2 and then solve, so we are getting -7. So now what is the delta, a21 into a21, so that we have found a21 is 2 into 7 plus 0 into plus 0 into 7, 0 into 7 plus 1 into minus 7. Okay, in this way we can solve, so your answer is 7. Okay students, so in this way we can expand the determinant, we can solve the determinant using the cofactor. Now next question is the similar one. Using the cofactor of an element of third column, evaluate the data. So here we have to evaluate using the which third column. So third column is this one. So let me see student. First, A13 into A13 capital A13 plus A23 into capital A23 plus A33 into capital A33. So let me find out first A13. So A13 फाइंड करने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा, A13 सो फर्स्ट रो थर्ड ए, सो 1y 1z, so z minus y. A23, so here you have delete this one, so 1x 1z, so minus z minus x, that is x minus z. And then third row and third column, so here we will delete this one, so 1x and 1y, so we will get y minus x. Now let me solve the determinant. So yx into x minus y plus zx into x minus z plus xy into y minus x. स्टूडेंट ये वाला जो क्वेश्चन है, दैट इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू जस्ट थोड़ा सा लॉजिकल इक्वेशन होगा आपका ये, बिकॉज कि इसमें बहुत सारी अरेंजमेंट हमें करना है फर्स्ट. So as in this question, otherwise the determinant is solved, but this is not an answer. So let me solve it further. So yz square minus y square z plus zx square minus z square x plus xy square minus x square y. Now we are arranging the element zx square and y square z. Okay, then yz square zz वाले z square वाले and the terms which are not having a z. Okay, so that we are arranging, and then here z is common, so x square minus y square plus here z square is common, so y minus x, here xy is common, so y minus x. Then further we are taking z is common and x square minus y square को हम identity apply करें तो x minus y and x plus y. Here y minus x and y minus x is there, so we are taking common y minus x, so here at the first term minus z will be remaining, so here minus z will be remaining. So here we have y minus x, so minus z, you can see here student, minus z into x plus y plus z square plus xy, so is equals to y minus x तो बाहर है, minus z we are taking inside, so minus zx minus zy plus x square plus z square plus xy. Now further what we will do here, तो ये जो terms है minus z minus xy, so y minus x is there. Now zx and z square that we are taking together and another terms together, so we will get y minus x z minus x minus y into z minus x. ये दोनों में से हमने z कॉमन निकाला है, तो z minus x. Here y is taking common, so z minus x, and therefore here when we are taking all the things are common, then y minus x z minus x into z minus y. That is our answer. Actually your answer is x minus y, y minus z and z minus x. तो z minus x तो है ही आपके पास, z minus x तो है ही, ये दोनों में नहीं है, symbol is only change, तो minus we can take common from the both terms, so you will get x minus y, y minus z and z minus x. स्टूडेंट इसका जरा जो कैलकुलेशन है, जस्ट ऑल द लॉजिकल पार्ट, प्लीज सी वंस अगेन बिकॉज दिस क्वेश्चन कैन बी इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू. You can solve this again. Now let me see the next question, that is a question number 5. Now question number 5 is, if this is the determinant and aij is the cofactor of the aij, then what is the value of the determinant? Now student, what can be the answer? अगर आपको सारी फॉर्मूला याद है तो then you should just check that which row and column element are same, A11, A21 and A31. Okay, which are these? So this is the element A11, A12 and A13, A31. So first column के साथ उसका expansion हुआ है. So your correct answer is D. Okay students, so with this we have stopped here. With this your exercise 4.4 is over. In the next class we will see the next topic of this chapter. So till that, study well. Thank you and have a nice day.